Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off tap pad sound on your Android. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. That sound you hear when you press a key on your screen or keyboard sound like nails on a chalkboard to you, or you feel disturbed about this sound. Click here. You can hear the sound when I tap on my screen. And you want to turn this sound off. How to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our settings on our phone. You can scroll down. There is an option sound and vibration settings. You can just tap on that. You can scroll down. Tap on additional settings. On system sound section, there is an option tap sounds. The toggle is active. You can just turn off this feature by tap on the toggle here. So now your tap pad sound on your phone is inactive. Let's hear again. If we tap on our screen, there's no more sound. There's no more sound on your phone, right? It means your tap pad sound on your phone has been disabled. So that is how to turn off tap pad sound on your phone Android. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.